Hello everyone! Today in this video, we are going to show you how to use the new split screen feature in Google Chrome. Google recently announced a new split tabs option that lets you split two tabs at once and view them in a single window. This new feature is available in the latest version of Google Chrome. Ensure you update it by going to Settings and then About Chrome. So once you update to the latest Chrome, follow the next steps. To use the split screen feature, follow these steps. 1. Open any two apps that you want to use. 2. Select one tab and right-click on it. 3. Select the Add tab to New Split View option and tap on it. 4. Once the new split screen appears, select the second tab. If you have multiple tabs open, you can select the specific one you want to view in the split view. You can also resize the view based on your preference. If you want to exit from the Split tab, tap on the new Split icon. From there, you can close the individual left or right view, or completely separate the split view by tapping on the Separate View option. So that's it! This is how you can use the new Split tabs view on Google Chrome. I hope you find this guide helpful. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel.